As one of the premier analytical testing laboratories in Oregon, Rose City is leading the industry by making high-quality laboratory testing available to everyone. Simply put, we're out to make your job easier. That's why we've developed a simple and reliable full-service lab for all your testing needs. After completing our quick and easy online sample request form, we have a fleet of vehicles ready to be dispatched to your facility anytime. That means you get your results faster with less effort. Whether you're doing urinalysis, testing asbestos for a remodel project, or the water for an entire school district, we have the gear and the personnel to do the job right. Of course, the most important thing when it comes to testing is accuracy. That's why we've invested over $1.2 million in cutting-edge analytical equipment to make sure that we're the most accurate lab in Oregon. From the chemists at our facility to our technicians in the field, we maintain a full-time staff around the clock to ensure highly accurate results with a 3-day turnaround. If you want the most accurate testing service with the quickest results, call Rose City Labs and we'll come to you.